Welcome to SageMailer's channel. Looking for tips on how to make the most out of your Amazon storefront? We'll walk you through the process of creating and promoting stores on the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon tips. Setting up a storefront is easy. In your seller account, click on Stores, then Manage Stores and follow the instructions for creating a new storefront. Choose the homepage template and feel creative with the most engaging task: designing your landing page with images, videos, and text. Then, after Amazon has reviewed and approved your store, you are welcome to advertise it to bring more customers. Now, let's move to some of the most effective promotion strategies. Utilize your landing page in sponsored ads to engage prospective buyers and build lasting relationships. Promote your store through your website, social media, and emails, encouraging visits for exclusive deals and a broader product selection. Showcase products on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Collaborate with niche influencers to grow visibility. Boost visibility in Amazon's organic search and PPC by enhancing product ratings through user feedback. Automate feedback generation and review monitoring with tools like SageMailer. Communicate with buyers, receive notifications, and set custom review alerts for efficient management. Hope this video will help you continue growing your brand. Happy selling!